How stable is your network infrastructure? Stability isn't luck, it's architecture, monitoring, and proactive maintenance. Here's a quick checklist to gauge and improve it. Redundant links and devices to eliminate single points of failure. Automatic failover on critical paths. Tested, documented, and fast. Load balancing to smooth demand and isolate faults. Design out fragility before it reaches production. End-to-end monitoring, uptime, latency, jitter, and packet loss. Real-time alerts with context and actionable runbooks. Regular firmware and software updates with controlled rollouts. Disciplined patch management to reduce risk without downtime. Documented disaster recovery plans and periodic drills. Proactive capacity planning to stay ahead of demand. Regular health checks to catch drift and degradation early. Strong security segmentation to limit blast radius. Stability is engineered. Measure it, test it, and automate it. Let New Miracles help you harden and stabilize your network today. Ready to fortify your network? Start now. Contact New Miracles Technology Solutions today, www.newmiracles.tech.